Mathematics teaching equipment contains and describes knowledge capable of supporting teachers and supporting students to target specific mathematical objects, concepts, relationships, mathematical properties, in order to discover, explore, and inculcate knowledge. In the process of learning math, the use of mathematics teaching equipment should meet some of the following requirements. Teaching equipment must serve the goal of teaching mathematics, suitable to the content and students, support teaching method innovation and avoid adding to teaching content, teachers' work and causing unnecessary costs. Use at the right time and in the right place, avoid forms or abuses that are counterproductive, reduce the effectiveness of the teaching process, create conditions for students to really practice and manipulate on teaching devices, thereby helping students actively explore and discover knowledge and contribute to the development of ability to use tools and means of learning mathematics. Encourage the use of audiovisual and modern technical means to support the teaching process, while attaching importance to the use of traditional media. When possible, teachers guide students how to search for information and materials on print or reputable TV programs on education to expand their knowledge and self-learning capacity. Strengthening self-made teaching materials. In addition to the minimum teaching equipment specified in the list promulgated by the Ministry of Education and Training, it is necessary to mobilize the initiative and creativity of students, teachers, and parents in exploiting, designing, and using self-made teaching materials. Coordinate the flexible use of teaching equipment. Each type of equipment has certain advantages and limitations, so depending on the lesson content and teaching methods, it is possible to combine the use of teaching equipment and coordinate reasonably, scientific and vivid. Based on the objectives and requirements of the mathematics curriculum, the Ministry of Education and Training shall promulgate a list of minimum teaching equipment, ensuring sufficient quantity and type. Specifically at the elementary level, numbers and calculus includes teaching sets of teaching equipment on natural numbers and calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, with natural numbers, fractions and calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, with fractions, decimal and decimal calculations, percentage, geometry and metrology. Includes teaching equipment on recognizing, describing shapes and characteristics of some planes and shapes. Practice measuring, drawing, assembling, shaping, corresponding to the math curriculum of each class, practice weighing, measuring, counting, watching time, buying and selling. Some statistical and probabilistic elements include teaching equipment on reading, describing, representing data into statistical tables and charts. Familiarize yourself with the likelihood of an event.